Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem SquareUp gift card online using your computer. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar, type in www.squareup.com/redeem. Press enter on your keyboard. Now, once you do that, you'll end up in this page right here. In this page, you'll need to enter your redemption code found at the back of your gift card, or if it has been emailed to you, simply go ahead and open up your email and enter the redemption code in the text box that appears on the screen. Enter your 16-digit redemption code and click on the sign in button right beneath in order to log into your square.com account. Enter your email and your password associated with SquareUp and click the sign in button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to redeem your gift card for squareup.com using your computer. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.